myself, Lippy and Chaitali has come together after working individually for quite some time, have come together, formed this company, Limitless Choices, to impart knowledge, all kinds of training. So combined together, both of us, we have quite a few modalities with us. And while coaching and all, we realized, both of us, that uh, there are particular kind of issues which people are struggling with, you know so then we thought, why not, why let people come to a stage where they have to come to us, therapists or coaches. Of course we are there, always there to help out people. So if we can impart the knowledge, if we can tell them about what it is, so before reaching out to any of us, they can attempt to solve their own issues of near and dear ones. And that is only possible when they know exactly what it is. So like it's here, our vision is to empower people to achieve their dreams and pursue success and gain happiness. And mission, left hand side lower corner, to create a venture that would offer holistic solutions for health and wealth globally. I think these are the two things which, when is with a person, with an individual, I think that person is set, more or less. Health is there, paisa hai, aur kya chahiye, so that is our mission. And yeah, Chaitali, I talked about, you can, you know
Okay, so I will take away this thunder from Lipi ma'am to introduce her, and I'm so happy to be able to introduce her. She is, and many of us here on this platform know her already, that she's an accomplished healer, and she has a lot of certification under her belt. She's an Shastri in numerology, and currently she is also pursuing doctorate program in numerology. She is a certified Reiki Grandmaster, an autoimmune and cancer holistic well-being consultant. She is certified NLP master practitioner, as Mangesh sir just pointed out. She's a life coach and a hypnotist. She is a certified accountability strategy and DISC assessment coach. And this certification she did from Master Coach University in Florida. And she also has certifications in advanced Vedantin and Gita. So it's a pleasure to be associated with her, and I'm sure that while I'm working with her, I will also learn and grow in the path that I have taken, which is very, very close and dear to my heart. Um, she definitely helps people with a lot of birth date and name alignment because of the fact of the that she is an acclaimed numerologist. There, even my name that you will find has been advised to be changed by Lippy. So thank you, Lippy ma'am, for being there, and thank you for sharing the vision and mission with me.
Thank you, and the pleasure of working together is mine too. Yeah. So and now, if I talk about Chaitali, she is first and foremost. She works in an MNC. Okay, as it's written here, that she is an accomplished hospital information consultant with more than 20 years of experience in operations and training. And during her corporate stint, of course, she gained expertise in setting up and scaling company growth. And she is already into training, yeah, process excellence training. So this is just an extension of that. And as it can be seen over here, she has lot many what do you call it, certifications, very important and heavy sounding certifications under her belt: certified Six Sigma Green Belt, certified coding specialist from USA, certified professional coder from USA, certified, of course, NLP master practitioner, life coach, and hypnotist. And here I would like to add that under the able guidance of Dr. Mangesh Dash, both of us and also Dr. Swati will soon become NLP trainers. And we are really stoked about it, because he is an like trainer, like amazing trainer, yeah, par excellence जिसे बोलते हैं. And Chaitali is also currently pursuing doctorate in human resources and development with NLP based leadership behavioral solutions, Bapre, for effective and progressive people management. It's quite a mouthful, Chaitali. So
And I must add here that this will be under the able guidance of
yes,
my guru, Dr. Mangesh Das, and also I'm being mentored and guided by Dr. Swati here. So thank you so much for showing me the path that NLP has given me, and thank you, Dr. Mangesh, for putting me in this path. Thank you so much.
yes, thank you, sir. Thank you very much. But it's quite a mouthful, huh, sir? That's why maybe I could not join that. Doctorate in Human Resources and Development with NLP based leadership behavioral solutions for effective and progressive people management. Oh my god. Okay, fine.
Wonderful.
Yeah, yeah, Chaitali, next slide, please.
Okay, so we have come up with quite a few workshops and webinars, and we will give a very quick sneak peek to all of you on those. So our most close to heart and our most upcoming webinar would be, and this will be our big ticket on Empower You. What we are going to do in this is, first and foremost, we are going to make people understand and acknowledge that there could be certain limitations that they have. We know everybody is successful in what they are doing, and there could be some more things that they want to do in their life from the perspective of their dreams. And this is where we would make them understand how they can realize those dreams by looking at their limitations and working to eradicate those limitations. I do have a quick agenda for you all to just take a look at. So, we are coming up with this webinar very soon. And there will be a personal empowerment section. There will be a section on mind and brain, where we will be doing a little bit about NLP. And here we will be talking majorly about those aspects of NLP which will cater to the requirement of eradication of the problems. So the basic on NLP there, along with the tools that are required to, do away with the limiting factors that people have that stops them from pursuing their goal. Then there are other tools that we will be offering here, and we will be going through all these tools in a way that any participant will be able to use them on themselves at any given point of time. So that is our big ticket, which is coming up very soon. I'm sure people will enjoy this and will be really empowered, as it says. So I do persuade all of you to talk about this with your friends out there. So apart from that, we are doing procrastination this weekend. We will be talking about burnout, time management, workaholism, disc analysis, money mastery, numerology, and Reiki. And we will be launching Associate Practitioner in Neuro Linguistic Programming in January. And as Lippy Ma'am just said, that we would soon be will be becoming NLP trainers under the guidance and the training of Mangesh sir. So, sir, we are promising you that we will become trainers. We will pass the entire course and get certified from you. And we will be launching the AP NLP program in January, as promised to you.
Yeah, this is our way of...
My blessings. My
yes,
blessings.
sir. This is our way of putting it out to the universe in front of so many people. So, yes. And here I'd just like to clarify a little bit that this weekend's workshop is procrastination. And burnout, time management, workaholism, disc analysis, money mastery, numerology, and Reiki, they are our other courses, other workshops. Yeah. So this weekend, it's thank you, Karan, is procrastination. And so, yes, Chaitali.
Cool. Over to you, Lipi ma'am, for talking about our other services that we are
Yeah. So basically,
offering.
we are coaches, right? We are coaches and therapists. So this is the various coaching we have been doing, which is breakthrough coaching, coaching through numerology, coaching through astrology, and then disc assessment and coaching, relationship. So I have worked with children, teenagers, okay, and so under that this also comes, coaching for better results in studies, and of course coaching for working professionals. So all the workshops which we are coming up with, those mini workshops like procrastination, this is kind of for working professionals only, but of course even homemakers, and everybody gets affected by this, but the most worst affected are working professionals. So that's why we are coming up with these confidence, eradicating phobias, goal setting. And since I am an autoimmune, cancer, weight loss, and skincare coach, holistic coach, so that coaching is available. I'm a spiritual coach, and this healing you. So all these things, the culmination is a person, an individual is healed. So that's why it's written healing you. So we are there for all kinds of issues. So but these are our specialties which we have already worked. So that's it, Chetali.
So let us talk quickly about the program that we are coming up with this weekend, which is 13th and 14th. It is procrastination. We will talk about what is procrastination, what is the science behind this particular habit, what are the common causes, the adverse effects that we see when we are procrastinating. So many of us are already into this habit chronically, and we know that it has affected us a lot. So we have to realize that we are a procrastinator, and how do we overcome that procrastination habit? There are certain self-help and self-check tools that we will be offering during this course, and of course we will make your plan of action, that what is it that you need to do to help yourself stop this chronic habit if you already have one. So that is what our program will entail. So let me just quickly talk about this slide as well. So if you see, I have this little circles around. So usually how our mind thinks and what we are doing is that we always, start thinking that this is what I should do. And this is what I would like to do. So this is what we are always getting into. It goes on in circles, and there are certain things that comes in common, that this is what I want to do and this is what I should do. And finally what ends up is that we are doing something absolutely different from what we should or we would like to do. So this is what basically procrastination is all about. So we end up doing petty jobs or smaller works, or less meaningful work than the bigger work that we are wanting to do or would like to do. So with that, what happens is when we fall into the pit of procrastination, our life is not really fulfilled the way we want it to be. So, Lipi ma'am, would you like to take this up now?
Oh, okay. So basically, like Chetali said, and why are you calling me Lippy ma'am? So, anyways, so procrastination is one of the main barriers, and like Karan said, we all at some point or the other procrastinate, suffer from this. I am kind of a big procrastinator. I was, but after so many tools came into my grasp, I am not that much of a procrastinator. So I have used myself and Chaitali together. So what helped me, that is what we have put over here. So like it's written, recent studies have shown that people regret more the things they haven't done than the things they have done. Okay, so in addition, feelings of regret and guilt resulting from missed opportunities tend to stay with people much longer. बोलते हैं ना, काश ये मैं करती, ये मैं कोशिश करता, और मैं कर लेता. That is it. So sometimes all our opportunities seem to be on our fingertips, but we can't seem to reach them. Just that push is not happening. So when you procrastinate, you waste time that you could be investing in something meaningful. And if you can overcome this fierce enemy, you will be able to accomplish more, and in doing so, better utilize the potential that we all have. We all have potentials within us. So, but we don't do. Okay, fine, the thought has come. Okay, today I'm busy. Let's work on it tomorrow. And this tomorrow never comes. So now we know that the world today is conducive to procrastinating, and learning how to overcome it is therefore one of the most important skills. Today's world, with so much of social media, TV, and so many apps, OTT platforms, and WhatsApp, and Signal, and Telegram. So we are all ready to be going into the clutches of procrastination. Today's world makeup is like that. Yeah. So now what to do? What effect it has, Chaitali? Yeah, impact.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So basically, what happens is that when we start procrastinating, it severely affects our self-esteem, so to say. So they, chronically, people who are procrastinators, they really don't feel happy or proud about that. That okay, I did not accomplish this. This should have been done during this point of time. I did not, and once we are pushing what we need to do towards later, then this, as Lipi just said, that the tomorrow never comes, and then we are at the end of the day not really happy that okay, I could not do that, and we keep blaming and put the blame on someone else. So what happens is that we people especially start looking at a procrastinator as being lazy, disorganized, not motivated, and some people may even think, oh, this person cannot do, they are stupid and all. So again, it is somewhere hitting the self-esteem of the person who is a chronic procrastinator. So there people who are really not procrastinators would be very, very judgmental about these kind of people, and these negative judgment definitely affects a procrastinator to the extent that they start losing their self-confidence completely. And we all know a chronic habit is something that becomes very difficult to do away with. And that's why we are coming up with this program, and do join with us so that we can help you to eradicate this habit if you already have this habit in you. So we will be giving tools, as we said, that will enable you to keep motivating yourself to achieve what you have set your thought on. Would you like to add anything on this one, Lipi?
No, it's okay. Basically, it should be interactive. Like we two are going on doing monologues. So if anything else is there, so if anybody has any questions or any suggestion, so all many experienced lead people are over here. Whoever wants to ask also anything, most welcome. There are more slides, Chaitali?
No, I think we are pretty much covering, already talked about what our program would look like, and
so you can
how
finish
we
it
are
off,
going to
whatever
run.
is left, the thank you slide and all, and then
So this is our details. We are, as I said, that the course will be on 13th and 14th from 7:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. IST. And this is the payment link. All of you who are interested to join the course, please just click the link and make the payment. This is the price that we have kept for this little course. Very important course, and less price for that you will be achieving a lot once you are done away with this habit. So please do join us here. Now, as Lipi ma'am said, that let's open this up to all of you to ask us any questions that you might have. And I will stop sharing my screen. I can reshare if any one of you would like to see anything else.
What? Yeah.
So, any questions, any suggestions, any thoughts, anything that you think you would like to add to this forum? We would be rather grateful to hear from you.
Welcome Pradeep ji. I see. Yeah, Pradeep ji. Yeah, while we were presenting, he had joined. So, anybody, anything? Karan?
Or now, I think so. Whatever briefly you have told, it seems complete in itself.
Okay.
Obviously, details would be much more there in the workshop.
Yes.
And doubts and the questions will come only when we dive deep, you know. So
Correct.
for now, the basic problem, like you said, is we are having these issues of procrastination. But for now, I think so. It's a very, very sweet and nice presentation.
Thank you
Yeah.
very much.
I would say it's a crisp and not boring.
Okay. The workshop also promises that
Right.
it will be very interactive, and activities